So here is the full-length tutorial on how you can draw this Halloween illustration in Front Painter. So first of all, choose the green color for the canvas and then make 3 sections of it. Use the more darker color as you go down. Now add the vertical symmetry tool and lock it to the position. Now using the monoline brush and the orange color, draw a pumpkin shape like this and fill the color in it. Now using the more darker color, draw the eyes, nose and not so cute smile. You can use any basic shape for drawing these eyes, nose and smile for these pumpkins. And if you want to change the position of any layer, you can use the wrap option with the basic tool to change it. Now clip a new layer onto that pumpkin layer and use the dark orange color to draw details like this. And use yellow color for drawing the detail on top of that. And decrease its opacity to somewhere 50. Now you have to make 2 more of them. So for that you have to duplicate the layer in which you have drawn the shape of the pumpkin. And then using the wrap option you can change its position. And you just need to change the expressions like change the shape of the eye, nose and the smile. Now draw a shape like this on one of the top pumpkin using the monoline brush and the dark brown color. Now after drawing this pumpkin illustration, you have to tilt the one of the top pumpkin to the right side using the wrap option with the basic tool. Now clip a new layer on top of the middle pumpkin and then using the Bansky brush from the legacy slot, do shade the top part using the black color. Similarly, do with the bottom pumpkin too using the Bansky brush by clipping a new layer onto that. Now by again using the Bansky brush from the legacy slot, draw some reflections onto the left side of these pumpkins. So now after drawing this main illustration, we are adding some more little illustrations in that too. You can create this leaf illustration by creating a shape like this using the orange color with the monoline brush and then making some detail using the black color. Similarly, you can duplicate this layer and you can use it on to different location. Now spray some yellow circles using the splatter brush from the spare slot. Now we have to make some lighting coming out from the bottom of the canvas. So for that you have to make a circle like this using the yellow color with the monoline brush and then apply the blur filter from the effects and then move it to the bottom of the canvas using the wrap slot with the basic tool. Now choose the vertical symmetry option and then move it to the top right corner. And now using the black color with the monoline brush, you can draw this bat shape like this and then fill it up with the color. Now you can duplicate that layer and you can move it to any side of the canvas. And we are finally done. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll be catching you in the next one. Thanks for watching.